There are stories everywhere. There are stories in theaters. There are stories in books. There are stories in television. Stories are even found in a net manufacturing team. InCord, the leading safety net manufacturers in North America, opened its stores in 1995. The company has provided jobs for over 120 employees, and Bill Greeley is the storyteller among them. He is passionate about his work as a technical writer.
I love it. I fell into this years ago when an engineering director asked me to write an instruction sheet, and I did a few of them, and then he asked me if I wanted to be technical writer for the company, and I said, what is a technical writer? Took to it, I loved it. It was a way of storytelling.
Every story has a beginning, middle, and end, with help along the way. For Bill, the beginning is research, the middle, writing, and the end, the visual manual.
Technical writing is a support role, and bridging the gap between what we make, how we sell it, and the end user.
But it's not just a desk job. He is needed on the manufacturing floor daily.
I will check those processes, I'll check those drawings, I'll check that pick ticket, I'll go to different work cells. You bring that together, no two technical writers are ever going to be alike, no two disciplines will be the same.
That variety lends itself to the products manufactured in Connecticut.
This one's safety nets, and this one, above anything that I've done in my career, has the greatest stories because we have true end users, we're saving lives, we know we are.
The job comes with long days.
And the end of the day may not come until that evening. You stay as long as it takes until you know it's right and it's time to go home.
But the days are fulfilling ones.
I've had a good day if someone else has had a good day from the work that I've done. If I can complete a sale for a salesman, or I can remedy a nonconformance.
The manufacturing industry has a special place in his heart.
It's very rewarding because of opportunities, because of challenges. Industry pulls from within, pulls from someone who came in with very little skills, works them up, educates them, right up to the top. Individuals who need jobs, need careers. Manufacturing is the best route to that.
The technical writer plays a critical role in the company.
And this type of field, certainly to anyone who likes to listen, share a story, write a story, and connect with people.
These stories and connections are what keep Bill typing to share with the world and with us.
You have to like the story, you have to like the business, you have to like the company. I do.